Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As I mentioned last week, this is a Let's Resin unboxing. It's an extra video coming to you and all of the details will be in the description box below alongside your 10% discount code. Do check that out if there's anything you see here that catches your eye. First up, we have a box of 15 glitters. Now, all of the colours are here. You pretty much have all of your primary colours, your red, your green, your blue, and we also have some gorgeous silver gold. Now, the first colours that stood out to me, if I'm honest, were the greens, because St. Patrick's Day is coming next month, as is Mother's Day. So I figured with the greens we could go down the St. Patrick's Day route, but then I saw this absolutely gorgeous colour. It is called Blush, and I thought this would work beautifully for Mother's Day. It could have also worked for Valentine's Day, but we're coming to the end of these videos and I didn't use them, but they are gorgeous. We've got the rose red and the blush. They will be perfect. So check that out if you are interested in the glitters. Next up, we have a 4-pack silicone mold for coasters. You may have seen something similar on Wendy at Toonpish Crafts channel. She's already used these in videos. 2 of them appear to be holographic. So we've got some kind of pattern going on here. I won't really know until I use the molds, but it appears to be a form of animal print or hearts. Like I said, I won't really know until I use them. The other 2 coaster molds in this 4-pack are completely clear. There's no patterns on the surface of the silicone, but they are super chunky molds. Cannot wait to try them. Next up, we have more molds. These are adorable. These are the molds that you guys told me about and that I should try and get my hands on them. And these are stunning mushroom molds. How cute are these? I can't even cope. These would actually work with today's video. Today's actually Saturday the 4th and tonight's video is very Alice in Wonderland. And I thought, gosh, I wish I used these for an Alice in Wonderland theme. But like I said, that video has probably birthed a whole new series of videos, potentially doing Alice in Wonderland theme projects. And these would be perfect. So you get 2 large, 2 small, different kind of shapes. We've got like a button mushroom shape, and then we've got your typical toadstool shape with the circles on, which I just think would be gorgeous if we could hand paint. Maybe even red jesmonite and then hand paint these dots in white. Oh, so fairy tale and perfect. Equally, we could dust these with browns and creams and micas and try to actually get them to look like mushrooms. But their mold itself is a whole mold. It's not a top and a bottom. It is a whole mushroom. Next up, we have got a giant mold. Again, you would have already seen this on Wendy at Toonpish Crafts channel. She received the exact same molds as me and she's already made this one, and she made beautiful snails using this giant snail mold. It is a monster of a mold. I cannot wait to try it. No idea right now what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm looking forward to it for sure. What would you guys do? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section. Would it be resin or jesmonite? We shall see. Next up, we have a 2-pack. Now, Let's Resin did send me 2 of these. Oh my gosh, we're going back to the mushrooms. These are stunning lidded pots. How cute are these? Actual lidded pot mushroom molds. They're going to be so cute as trinket holders, jewellery holders. You name it, you could do it. But yeah, like I said, they did send me 2, so I am so grateful for that. Cannot wait to try them. Next up, we have the glitters. Now, I didn't even know, sorry Let's Resin, I didn't know that Let's Resin did giant glitter tubs. So when I opened that little box of miniature glitters, I was impressed. I thought they were gorgeous. I'm looking forward to using them. And then I see these in the box. They're huge, guys. This is in comparison to my hands, but this one here stole my heart. Look at these. If you know me, you know that blue is my absolute favorite color, and this is called the teal green. It has every shade of blue that you can imagine in with the teal, and it is stunning. I see ocean themed, ocean vibes all of that jazz. Next up, we have the holographic glitter. Now, this again matches the larger tubs. So the glitters that you saw at the beginning were craft glitters. These are holographic glitters, and they are the miniature version of the giant tubs. Only I have a lot more colour choices here, including this stunning aqua blue and purple. Honestly, they sent me a heat mat as well alongside a silicone mat. Don't know why I didn't film that for this video, but it's currently covered in resin because I've been using it. But definitely check that out below. Wendy at Toonpish Crafts also has the same heat mat with the silicone mat on top. Go check her out if you want to see it. But yeah, really, really happy with honestly all of these things. I cannot wait to try them. I will see you all in the next video. Check out the description box if you are interested. All of the links will be there. I'll see you next time. Bye.